Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm Sharon Holt, the author of Te Reo Sing-Along books and the author of the Daily Teaching Planner for ECE teachers that we've recently brought out. So, we've had so much fabulous feedback about it from teachers that we have decided to bring it out as a print book, and it's now available on our website at www.tereosingalong.co.nz. I thought I'd show you a few of the pages. It's pretty heavy here, it's more than 220 pages, but I'll just show you a little bit of an inside look in case you haven't already seen it. So it's got things about the maramataka, the Māori lunar calendar. People are loving that. And then also every week there's a Te Reo Sing-Along book of the week. So what you've got here is you've got a phrase, you've got a sentence, you've got ideas about how to use the book, you've got a whakatauki, New Zealand history, things that happened that week. All on this side you've got the places to write things, and also whatever's special days, like this one says World Music Day, and lots of other resources that you might be interested in that other people are putting out. And so at the back you can also find other Te Reo Māori things there. There's some karakia ideas at the back. There's the education documents that you need as well, ideas about introducing yourself and praising children in Te Reo Māori. So it's just full, as you can see, of a lot of beautiful things. And I really encourage you to have a look at it on our website and see if it's what you're looking for. Ka kite.